Good day everyone. In this video today, let's talk about spinach. A humble leafy green, yet one of the most powerful superfoods on earth. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, this nutrient-dense vegetable has been a staple in diets worldwide for centuries. Whether blended into smoothies, tossed in salads, or cooked into hearty meals, spinach is a versatile ingredient that fuels the body with essential nutrients. But beyond its vibrant green leaves lies a powerhouse of health benefits that can transform your well-being. Let's dive into the extraordinary health advantages of spinach. Spinach is a nutritional goldmine. It's incredibly rich in vitamins A, C, K1, and folate, while also delivering a healthy dose of iron, calcium, magnesium, and fiber. Despite this impressive profile, it remains low in calories, making it a perfect addition to a weight-conscious diet. Rich in vitamin C and beta-carotene, spinach fortifies the immune system, helping your body fight infections, colds and flu. The powerful antioxidants in spinach also neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and preventing chronic diseases. Spinach is a heart-healthy superstar. The nitrates in spinach help relax blood vessels, improving circulation, and reducing blood pressure. It also contains potassium, which counteracts sodium's effects, further promoting cardiovascular well-being. Consuming spinach regularly may lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. The lutein and zeaxanthin found in spinach are essential for maintaining sharp vision. These antioxidants protect the eyes from harmful blue light, reducing the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts as you age. Plus, its high vitamin A content supports overall eye function. Want a sharper mind? Spinach is your friend. The B vitamins, folate, and antioxidants in spinach support cognitive function, helping to improve memory and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. The anti-inflammatory compounds also keep brain cells healthy and active. With an impressive dose of vitamin K1, calcium, and magnesium, spinach plays a critical role in bone health. Vitamin K1 helps activate proteins that improve calcium absorption, strengthening bones and reducing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. Spinach is loaded with fiber, which supports a healthy digestive system. It aids in smooth digestion, prevents constipation, and promotes the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, leading to improved gut health. Make sure to watch this video all the way through. And remember to subscribe to support the growth of our community. If you're an athlete or simply enjoy working out, spinach is an excellent post-exercise food. Thanks to its iron and magnesium content, it helps rebuild muscle tissue, reduce inflammation, and replenish energy levels, keeping you active and strong. Spinach is one of the most anti-inflammatory vegetables you can eat. The flavonoids and polyphenol present in spinach help combat inflammation, which is the root cause of many chronic diseases, including arthritis and diabetes. Additionally, these compounds slow the aging process, keeping your skin youthful and radiant. Research suggests that the antioxidants and phytonutrients in spinach may help reduce the risk of cancer by inhibiting tumor growth. Spinach contains chlorophyll, flavonoids, and carotenoids, which have been linked to lower incidences of breast, prostate, and colon cancers. A study published in the European Journal of Nutrition investigated the effects of spinach on cardiovascular health. Researchers found that spinach, rich in nitrates, helps improve blood vessel function by increasing nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide relaxes blood vessels, lowering blood pressure and improving circulation, two critical factors in reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. In this study, participants who consumed nitrate-rich spinach daily experienced a significant drop in blood pressure compared to those who didn't. The results suggest that regular spinach consumption may support heart health by enhancing vascular function and reducing hypertension. This research highlights how a simple dietary choice adding more spinach to your meals can have profound effects on cardiovascular health. While spinach alone isn't a cure, it can be a powerful addition to a heart-healthy lifestyle. Spinach is a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with essential vitamins and minerals. It is an excellent source of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, iron, calcium, and magnesium. Rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, spinach supports eye health, reduces inflammation, and boosts the immune system. Its high fiber content also aids digestion and promotes heart health by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. However, not everyone should consume spinach freely. Individuals with kidney stones or kidney disease should limit their intake due to its high oxalate content, which can contribute to stone formation. People on blood thinners, such as warfarin, should be cautious as spinach is rich in vitamin K, which affects blood clotting. Those with thyroid issues may need to moderate their intake, as raw spinach contains goitrogens that can interfere with thyroid function. While spinach is an incredible superfood, it's essential to consume it in moderation and consult a healthcare provider if you have underlying health conditions. In conclusion, spinach isn't just a leafy green, it's a nutritional powerhouse that supports nearly every function in the body. From heart health and strong bones to improved digestion, vision, and brain function, spinach proves time and time again why it deserves the title of a superfood. Whether eaten raw, cooked, or blended into a smoothie, adding spinach to your diet is one of the easiest and most effective ways to boost your overall health. I know many people don't enjoy eating vegetables. The taste, the texture, or just the thought of them might not be appealing. But here's the truth, vegetables are nature's medicine. They fuel your body. Think of vegetables as an investment in yourself. Every bite you take is a step toward more energy, better health, and a longer, happier life. And the best part? You don't have to force yourself to eat bland, boring meals. There are countless ways to make vegetables delicious. Blend them into smoothies, add them to your favorite dishes, or season them with herbs and spices. Start small. Try one new vegetable this week, experiment with different flavors, and give your taste buds time to adjust. Over time, you'll not only tolerate them, you'll start craving them. Your body will thank you, and you'll feel the difference. Don't give up on vegetables. Your health is worth it. So, next time you see those vibrant green leaves, remember you're not just looking at a vegetable, but nature's gift for a healthier, stronger, and longer life. We hope you found our content informative and that you'll use it to enhance your well-being. Thank you for watching.